Want to know where your Facebook account is logged in? In this video, I'll show you how to check all logged in devices on Facebook using an Android phone. Let's start. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu or three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Now tap Account Center at the top and select Password and Security. After that, in the Security Checks section, tap where you're logged in. Then select your Facebook account. You'll see a list of devices, locations, and login times. And tap any unknown or suspicious device. Tap Log Out. That's it. Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions or spot anything suspicious, comment below. Thanks for watching.